The one thing that keeps patients from moving forward with a facelift is the fear of recovery itself. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process so that you can make a decision out of information and not out of fear. So it's surgery day. You're gonna be under general anesthesia throughout the whole procedure. After that, you'll wake up, they'll take you to a recovery area for a couple of hours, and you'll spend the night at the clinic to make sure that there's no pain, bleeding, or anything else going on. You're gonna have a bandage around your face and little tubes that are called drains that are gonna be pulling out the liquid that the tissues may produce. And this, which is like the most uncomfortable and kind of awkward stage of surgery, is just gonna last for 3 days. After the 3rd day, I'm gonna see you at the office again. I'm gonna remove all of those bandages, remove the drains, and then that's like the best day in terms of physical and psychological relief, because you're not gonna have that bandage anymore. You're gonna be able to take a shower, let the water fall on your face, and wash your hair. The first week, I would say, is the time where there is the most swelling. There's gonna be a lot of bruises, and it's kind of like the Frankenstein face. It's when you're gonna look operated on, and maybe people in the streets will notice that you had surgery. After day 7, I remove the stitches. Things should be settling down a little more, and generally the 2nd week after surgery, somebody who doesn't know you won't even notice that you had surgery, but of course you and the people who know you will notice that you're a little poofy. These first couple of weeks are key to use technologies and other types of treatments that can improve your recovery and also improve the results. So since day 2 after surgery, I begin hyperbaric chamber sessions to improve your wound healing and your inflammation. After the 1st week, we start with radiofrequency sessions to improve lymphatic drainage and also reduce swelling. And then after the 2nd week, we can start with microneedling sessions to address the surface of the skin that is not addressed during the deep plane. Something surprising about this recovery is that it's not really a painful procedure. And patients tell me all the time, I was expecting pain, but I didn't have any. I give them medications for the pain and they never take them. So it's really more a discomfort and a matter of feeling a little swollen and poofy than really the pain of recovery. Then after the 2nd week, you'll be able to travel back home if you do live abroad. And those month and a half is like a while where you're gonna have to be a little more still, but you can walk as much as you want. After the 1st month, you can start exercising again. And after 2 months, you're gonna be able to go to a social event without a problem. Just remember that wound healing keeps progressing over time, up to 6 months or even up to a year. So the swelling is gonna keep going down, the tissues are gonna keep settling down, and things will keep looking better and better even after the 1st year. Recovery after a facelift is an important thing to consider, but just know that it's very manageable, it's not painful, and it finishes. But what you get on the other side of the process, that is lasting. If you have questions about recovery from a facelift, what to prepare, what to expect, what to ask your surgeon, please leave them in the comments below.